I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by verifying neck relief and current string heights so adjustments are precise. Measure with a ruler at the 8th fret after placing a capo at the first and fretting at the last. Write those numbers down. Once done, tune to pitch and note string action for each string. Make sure to have the correct truss rod wrench and feeler gauges on hand. This prevents guessing. This step saves time because you'll know whether to adjust the truss rod, bridge saddle, or nut next. You now address the middle of the process by balancing neck relief and saddle height. If the neck bows up, tighten the truss rod a quarter turn clockwise. If it back bows, loosen counterclockwise. Once the neck is within spec, use the saddle screws to raise or lower each string until action matches your recorded targets. Make sure to retune after every small change and check at multiple frets. This prevents overcorrection and keeps intonation stable while you refine string height. You finish by dialing in intonation and addressing any remaining buzz or dead spots. Adjust each saddle forward or back so the 12th fret fretted note matches the harmonic. That preserves tuning across the neck. If buzzing persists near the nut, inspect and file slots slightly higher or replace the nut. Once done, play through chords, single note lines and bends to confirm comfort and sustain. If buzzing remains, loosen truss rod slightly and recheck saddle heights. Small iterative fixes usually solve it.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.